Hi everybody and welcome to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is the Ross Slim homogenizing mixer. Being it has a secondary inlet right at the homogenizing head to allow powders to be pulled in. We're just using a short piece of pipe on it. Normally you'd have a 45 at the base so that the pipe is in close proximity to the mixer, and a small hopper to feed your material in as you're grinding. We're getting a great flow in here right now, and you almost have to have the pipe on because you'll put induced fluid in and the mixer becomes a little unstable. It's a 10 horsepower unit, explosion proof as well. We're running on 208 three-phase voltage right now. I'm going to show you how much suction you really get at this point right here. You should be able to actually hear this. It actually will pull powder right into the mixing head, and that goes down and ends up at the top of the mixing head. It's a really nice design. They work very well. We have lots of homogenizers in our stock like this that we do offer rebuilding and reconditioning on. We do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to seeing you. Thanks for joining us today for this video.